So today we will learn how to calculate the sum and average of three numbers. So first of all, I'm going to delete this sprite which is already there on the stage, and I'm going to insert a background and one sprite. So let us take, because we have to perform some calculations, so let us take a classroom background, and I'm choosing a sprite. Okay, now let us go to the events. When flag is clicked, what we have to do, we have to first take total 4 variables. We have to declare 4 variables, sorry, 5 variables. First variable will be, so make a variable, we will choose make a variable number 1. We will be creating this variable for this sprite only. We will not use it for other sprites. We will use it only in this sprite. So number 1 is the first variable, because we have to calculate the sum of 3 numbers. So we will take 3 different variables for this. Second is number 2. Okay. Third variable will be number 3. Now fourth variable we will take, because if we will enter 3 different numbers, then the result or the output should also be displayed somewhere. It should also be stored somewhere, na? So we have to take a one variable for that also. So we will take a variable sum and one variable as average. So total 5 variables you have to declare first. Okay, so we have already declared 5 different variables. Now we will give a position. We will bring the code this to the blackboard now. Okay, now I am also going to change the name of the sprite. So this is teacher. From here, from this area, you can change the name of the sprite and just press it anywhere on the screen. Automatically, the changes will appear in these boxes also. Okay, now we have to calculate the sum. So for that, we will go to set. We will be using this set. First, we will write set number 1. Then you will use this block, set number 2. Again, you will use this block, set number 3. Now let us take 3 different values. First, I am taking 10. Second, I am taking 20. Third, I am taking as 15. Now we have to calculate the sum. So we will use again this same block, set sum. In sum, we have to perform the calculation. So we will go to the operator block and we will choose this option first and drag it on the screen. Don't fit it here, because we have to here it is showing we can add only 2 variables, but we have to add 3 variables. So I will use the same block one more time and place it inside it like this. So now we can add 3 different variables. Now I'll again go to the variable and drag number 1 in the first circle, number 2 in the second oval, and number 3 in the third oval. And this hole should be inside this circle. Okay, now it is perfect. Now we can put it in this oval shape. Okay, now sum equals sum will be set as number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3. So automatically it will perform the calculation. You don't have to perform yourself. You have to use this block so that it can perform a block of operators and block of variables so that it can perform the calculations by itself. Now we have to calculate the average. So we will choose this block, set average. Now, average means the sum of three numbers divide by 3. So we will go to operators and use the operator of division. Drag this block. Now in the first circle, we have to drag the variable sum. And in the second one, we have to write 3. Now drag it to this oval. Okay, now it is perfect. And I also wanted to add a sound which should repeat all the sentences. So I'll go to the sound block and I'll choose this option, start sound. And here I'll do the recording. So I'll go to record button. And after pressing this button, we can start the recording. But before this, what I'm going to do is I need to check how many variables I have taken and what are the values 10, 20 and 15. Okay, so let us record the sound now. In this question, we have to calculate the sum of three numbers. So first number is 10, second number is 20 and third number is 15. So sum will be 45 and average will be 15. Stop recording. Just check key. Suppose if you have done some mistake in the recording and you need to cut that part, so you can cut it from here by dragging these areas. So from wherever you want to start, you can start and just check. In this question, we have to calculate the sum of three numbers. So first number is 10, second number is 20 and third number. Okay, fine. So I'm going to save it and go to the coding again. Now from here, choose recording 1 and let us play it now. In this question, we have to calculate the sum of three numbers. So first number is 10, second number is 20 and third number is 15. So sum will be 45 and average will be 15. I hope it is clear to everyone how you can calculate the sum and average of numbers, how you can do the recording of your voice and you can add it into the scene which you are creating, right? So